hot pink doll moment. I am ready for the rain outside. I look like a crazy cat lady. If you didn't notice, the hour just went backward and it just messed up with my brain a bit. So I'm just all like, today. We didn't do this in a while and I want to do a full glam, but this one is going to be only pink. So pink everywhere. I put the little pink coat on there and it's gonna be super nice. We're just gonna go with the neon pink from Huda Beauty. So this beautiful palette right here, primed already. We're gonna go into that really pink, nice color right here. And I'm gonna put that in the crease. I want to do like a glam little makeup and I'm gonna wing this pink out into the crease all the way to my eyebrow. So then when the shape is done, we're just gonna be intensifying that pink so it looks really, really nice. And matte, we're taking the matte shade for now. And then you can tap off the excess, take the other side of the brush. I like to remove the excess on my arm. And then I take the other side and I just start to blend the edges. So it looks better overall. And for this one specifically, we're gonna do something pretty simple. I'm gonna take back my Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer and I'm gonna be cutting the crease just a little tiny bit. So it's like not a half cut crease, but it's more of like a 1/4 cut crease, since you can't really see anything and I don't want to do it too big because I want like this really like blown out effect into like something paler to darker. It's a 1/4 cut crease. That's what it looks like. It's kind of weird. We'll say it. It's different than just a half cut crease or anything like this. So I'm just letting it dry just a little bit. There you go. And then we'll go into the neon pink palette and taking this really light color that is right there, super nice, and I'm just gonna go with my finger and I put this right there. I'm also gonna take a little packer brush, going into it very slightly and just going all the way to the line that I did. Since these shadows are a little bit harder to work with, especially these from the Huda Beauty palette, I highly recommend you spraying your brush with some setting spray, and then you can go in the pigment and it's gonna pick up way easier than if you don't wet your brush. And then after that, we take the same finger that I use and we're gonna go into that dark little pink that is right, oh, can I show you, like this one right here, which is similar to the pink that we already put on the matte. And then you just put that right where there's no pigment whatsoever. And then it's like you blow it up into smoke. So you bring it up where you had the matte shade and you just really put it slightly. So you don't really pack it when you get into that matte shade. You just kind of like blow it out like there's some shimmer or like pearls that are just staying there for something, like they're just staying there. And you take back that little really pale shimmer shade and then you bring it into the darker shade. So it's like super blended and you can go back and forth with it just up until you are satisfied with the blend. And then for the finale of this one, you want to take the same matte shade that you took earlier and you're gonna bring it right under the lash line. And you connect the two as much as you can. Both eyes are almost done. The only thing that I want to do is I want to put a little bit of a liner, which is going to be super cute, and I'm going to go with the MAC Process Magenta Chromaline. So this one is just going to be really nice, especially to line the lashes where there's basically nothing but shimmers, and we're just going to go in it straight away with a little liner brush from Morphe, and I'll just line my lashes all the way to the matte shade at the outer corner of the eye. I'm just going to be putting something very pale that is kind of like my natural color for my face, my skin tone, but with a little bit of shimmer. I really don't want to put much. I don't want to put white because it's going to be too much, but this is just going to add a little tiny bit of shimmers and light into my eyes. So next, I'm gonna put some blush, and I was thinking of going with that e.l.f. Primer infused blush. The reason is it's kind of like super pigmented, and I felt like it would be a great match with my little makeup, like that hot pink, but it's just gonna be like a different pink than what I have at the moment. So I feel like, you know, having different shades of pink is just really gonna create a nice makeup look that's not only gonna be one shade. I still want to have different shades, different undertones, just things that are gonna be cute and nice for this look. And no contour, everything is gonna be pink. That looks pretty pigmented. A trick that I can give you is you take a random like clean brush and then you just diffuse everything, and it's gonna take the pigment off, something that is not too much, and it's really gonna help with how it looks on the face. Highlight, we are on to the highlight, and for this one I'm gonna go with the Moonchild from Anastasia Beverly Hills because there are so many shades in it, and I was thinking of going with the shade Pink Hearts since there's some pink in it. It's this one right here. Sorry, I have to concentrate on where to look at. I have to close one eye, I can't see nothing without my glasses. So this one is, it looks kind of like orangey pink, which I feel like is gonna add another depth of color and it's gonna look really pretty. And you just add it to the high points of your cheeks. I lost a hair. Even under the brow bone, we're gonna add this color to make everything pop. Over here, and then we just put here, and this is gonna help blend everything together. I'm telling you, if you have a hard time blending a certain shade in particular, just add some highlight or shimmer shade lighter, and it's really gonna make everything good. And then we're gonna make everything pop by cutting it with the highlight. Cute, cute, cute. It is coming along. And then we need something else that is going to be pink. And for that, I will be overlining. Where is it? We're going to do the lips right now. And it's going to be so, oh my God, so pink altogether. You're going to see. So I'm just taking that NYX little matte lip liner. The shade Cookie and Cream. Is that the Tea and Cookies? Tea and Cookies. Alright, so I decided for today we're gonna be doing something different, and I want this to be as rounded as possible. So no Cupid's bow, just something rounded. For this one, oh my God, this is gonna stain my outside of my lip, but we're gonna go with the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip stain in the shade Hot Pink, and that is the look for today. It's gonna be all hot pink. So what do you guys think of my pink hot lips? It's just so weird to see myself like that. It's just wow. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go put my mascara, my lashes, and everything off camera, and then I will be right back for the final reveal of this beautiful makeup look. So I decided not to put any false lashes because I just like my lashes naturally, and I feel like putting false lashes is just destroying my real lashes. So I just put the Legit Lashes mascara from Huda Beauty, and that looks pretty cute. For the final touch, what I want to do is I want to put some setting spray first. So I'm going to put the Rare Beauty setting spray on my forehead. Just like that, and we'll just fan it out with our hands because I don't have a fan. I don't have nothing to fan my face off. And then we'll just add a little bit of shine on top of my lips, even though we have like crazy shine everywhere. So the shine is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Pretty Please, because please, I need this shine right about now. Yummy. What do you guys think? It just adds another layer of makeup, another layer of pink. Oh my God. That is the hot pink makeup look. Everything pink except for the eyebrows and the eyelashes and the waterline as well, because I decided to put a little bit more white in the waterline. I wanted my eyes to look bigger, something like a doll-like. So I feel like that could be kind of like a hot pink doll moment, but something that can be wearable as well. So comment down below if you like this makeup look, and if you like this makeup look, make sure to like the video and to comment down below what you would change, if you would put false lashes or if you would change anything out of the makeup look. And consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you want to see more content like this Monday through Friday. So I love you beauties. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye beauties.